¿Qué tal, amigos de Medio Tiempo? Los saludo desde el hotel de concentración de los New England Patriots. El campeón de la conferencia americana abrió sus puertas a la prensa por última vez antes del Super Bowl 49. El coach Bill Belichick habló sobre las posibilidades de Junior Seau de entrar en la lista de elegidos al Salón de la Fama, que será anunciada este sábado aquí en Phoenix, Arizona.
I'd say Tom Brady is a great example of that, Rob. I mean, we can go right down the line. Devin, Vince, all of them. I mean, those guys are smart football players. They came to us as smart football players. Well, it mean a lot. I mean, it's obviously got to happen. I mean, I can't imagine having a professional football Hall of Fame without Junior Seau in it.
Por otro lado, tuvimos una pequeña charla con Rob Gronkowski, donde descubrimos que no ha perdido sus hobbies de niño.
On in Mortal Kombat, I think that's premiering tonight actually on the Conan O'Brien show. We did that the other night, and he kind of beat me in a couple more battles. I got him a few times, but he was pretty good at Mortal Kombat. I don't know, he was pretty good at those video games, but he's on the offensive side of the ball, and he's a great player, so he was a very good Mortal Kombat player though.
Desde Phoenix, Arizona, con imágenes de Ramsés Barona, Juan Pablo Ganem en línea con mediotiempo.com.